Right below this video, you should see a link that should take you to a page like this one. All you have to do is simply hit on get started. It's free. You don't need a credit card to use Invideo, but if you upgrade, I'll get paid if you use my link. Right here, they have a bunch of templates you can check out. Next is the explore page. Here you can explore what Invideo does and what it can do for you. They have a mobile version which you can access on your Android or iOS device, which is called Filmer. I will leave a link to that as well in the description. Then you can also learn how to use the software from the official Invideo channel and more other tools available with the Facebook community and the blog itself right here. Now, support can be contacted in a number of ways. You can also schedule a demo if you're a large business. You can schedule a webinar, or you can email them if you have any questions. Now, they have a bunch of pricing options that you can choose from the free plan, which you can go for, but it will have the Invideo watermark on it. So if you want that, you can go for Invideo, the free plan, but you get up to 5,000 video templates, 3 million plus standard media library, and automated text to speech, which you can use. 10-minute video duration per video, and that means you can make even a webinar from that very free plan. Now let's say you wanted to go more detail and you are a small business, you can go for the business plan, or you can go the unlimited plan if you're a larger business, and you also unlock the same features on the mobile versions if you have a paid plan. Now you can compare the plans by clicking right down here and see which plan you can go for. Now let's get inside the software. Now right here, they have a bunch of categories available. You can choose either to go for a specific template, or you can simply hit view all and you should see all templates. Next is the content icon right here, where you can visit the Invideo blog, and this one here is the medium.com blog for Invideo, which you can also read and learn about Invideo. Next is the tutorial section. Here you can access a bunch of videos from YouTube and those hosted on the website as well. You have a bunch of tutorials regarding text editing, audio, music, image editing, media uploads, projects, exporting video, adding team members, and video ads. Scrolling further down, we have a bunch of templates we can choose from, which is the pre-made templates. We can turn our text from our blog article to a video, or we can go for a blank canvas and we can choose a canvas we want. Wide 16 to 19, that's YouTube, square, Instagram, vertical, YouTube shorts, and TikTok videos. To make the video, you choose your template and hit on make a video. Next here is they have the project section. Now what the project section does is it lists your projects you have created depending on how long you have been on Invideo. Now I have a video here which is in the draft section. You can access all other projects you have made right down here. Now it's that easy to navigate the software. Now how do you create a video? If you want to turn your text into videos, I will leave a link to a video or a page on my website in the description as well, which you can access and learn more how to use Invideo for that purpose. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to create a video. To do that, we're gonna go with the blank canvas and we're gonna choose the 16 to 19, which is the YouTube video right here, and hit on make a video. Now to access a template, if you don't want to go from scratch again, you can hit on the templates feature right up here. You can choose from the intro, testimonials, slideshow, ads, invites, branding, listicles, and so much more. Now this menu expands and closes like so. You can just hit on it and it should expand that easily. You can see a bunch of templates they have here to load up. Next here is we have the upload section. You can upload your custom made images and media. Next is the video section. These are copyright free or stock footage which you can access in Invideo itself, so you don't have to go over to Pixabay to download these stock footages. Now depending on the plan you have, these may be locked or unlocked, so keep that in mind. Images section right here is where you can add your own images by hitting on the upload section right up here, or you can simply choose search for a specific image you are interested in. Now depending on your plan as well, you may have access to some of these images or all of the images. Next is the music section, and this is where I like Invideo. It gives you a variety of tracks you can choose from even on the free plan. Now you can select from different genres, modes. Variety of tracks are available for use in the software. You simply select your genre like so, and it should load up a bunch of the royalty free tracks you can drag into the software and make your video exciting. Next is the text section. Now to use the text is very easy. Simply hit on text right up here, and you can drag in a specific font you want from these available right down here, or you can simply add a heading, which is the same as in Canva. You can add the subheading by hitting on the plus icon, or you can just drag and drop it on the screen like so. Edit the text on the template. You simply hit on the text on the template like so, and it should load up this menu right up here. If you want to edit the text, all you have to do is simply hit on edit right up here with the text selected, and you should see the text right up here. All you have to do is simply hit backspace and delete. Then you should start typing your own text. You can also copy and paste, and it should appear here on your screen. You can animate the text, which is very easy to do as well. Simply hit on the animation tab right here, and you can make it fade in, and they have a bunch of other options you can select from right here. It's that easy. Next, you can select the duration of how long you want the fading to happen, or those other features are available with the text feature in the free version of Invideo. Next is the logo section. I really like this because you can upload your own logo and edit the video using your own intro. Next is the colors. Now colors are really important if you want to create a specific mood or feel with your video. And select from each of colors they have available right up here and hit on apply once you're ready. Let's say you're a small business and you're making a video for a specific client, but you don't want to mix that video with another client. You can create separate folders for that specific client. Next is the sticker section. Now stickers are really important. Let's say you are making a video and you ask people to subscribe. You can make this sticker pop up right here, and you can just drag and drop it on the screen like so. They also have 3D stickers. These are individuals or specific cartoonish characters you can add in your video, and these are 100% free, and some may be limited depending on the plan you have. Next is the overlay section. You can choose from different overlays they have in here, and they also have shapes you can add in your own video to create that amazing feel for your videos. And the other good feature with Invideo is the masking feature. Right here on the timeline is where you edit your video, and all you have to do is simply add a new scene if you want to create a new scene. Easy to add, and you can delete it by hitting on the trash can icon right here, and you can also duplicate the scene, or you can simply open the scene in a specific timeline of its own. That easy. Now next they have here is the voiceover. Now the voiceover is the one you're hearing over this video itself. You can add your own voiceover. You can record it live as you edit a video. You can also import from your computer desktop, and you can also use the automated text to speech which they have even on the free plan. It's that easy to use in video, and they have other amazing features. Now let's say you have created your video. We're not going to create one because the video is already long enough. We can download it right up here. Now let's say we like a video and we want to download. Now remember, depending on your plan, you are going to have a watermark. It will be downloaded in 720p, which is the default for the free plans, but if you want higher resolution you will have to upgrade, and the link is available in the description of this very video. Now you download that to your PC, it will have a watermark, but there are other ways you can get rid of the watermark, or if you're using it for a school project, it is 100% okay. Now that's gonna do it for this video. It's that easy to edit using Invideo, and you can add more scenes to your video, as many as you want, for up to 40 minutes on the free plan. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the video on the screen right now if you want to know more about Invideo and its competitor Pictory AI.